Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Search Google Images with clear keywords and open the image viewer. This gives you full size. Once you see the image, check resolution and file type. Higher PX numbers print sharper. Right-click and choose Save Image as to place it in a folder you'll remember. Make sure the file name is descriptive. It helps when printing multiple images. If the image opens in a site viewer, click View Image or Open in New tab to access the actual file before saving. Open the saved image in your preferred photo or preview app and inspect dimensions. Set print size and target 300 dpi for best quality. Next, choose paper size and orientation, portrait or landscape. Then pick fit options like fill, fit, or actual size depending on whether you want cropping. Check color and print quality settings. Select a printer color profile if provided. Once these choices are set, perform a quick on-screen preview to ensure composition and margins look correct before sending to print. Click Print and confirm the correct printer, paper type, and print quality, then start the job. If the result looks blurry, cancel and increase the image resolution or select best quality and try again. Sometimes different paper or fresh ink fixes it. If colors are off, switch to sRGB or load the printer's ICC profile, then run a small test print to compare. Finally, make minor cropping or margin adjustments and reprint once the test looks right. Print the full-size final copy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.